Everybody loves Apple's new Beats Solo 3 wireless headphones. The only thing that makes them better is the special edition Mickey's 90th anniversary version. It comes with a bunch of accessories to go along with it and a really unique design. These have been out for a little while now, but we finally just got our hands on some and we're really excited to show them off. So if you haven't seen them, this is your chance. You see what you get inside compared to going for just the stock Beats Solo 3 wireless. Out of the gate, the attention to detail is insane. There are so many little touches that really make these headphones above really most of the other ones you're ever going to find on the market. Even inside the back of the top of the box, there's little imprints of Disney going around the edges. It is very, very cool. You're greeted at first by that Disney pin, which we're going to come back to, which below you'll find the canvas bag that is actually going to hold your headphones. It's not canvas, more like a wool type bag to hold the headphones. And then underneath all of that, a few getting started guides and paperwork, carabiner clip, an audio cord for taking phone calls and controlling music, and the power cord itself. So back to that pin that you saw right when you open it up, the special 90th anniversary Disney pin. Even the back of this has the little Mickey ears on it. It is metal, and then you got the Beats logo and the Disney Mickey logo there on the bottom right. For anyone who collects pins, this is just a cool thing, a cool little thing to be included in the box. Attach it to the side of the headphones or wherever you want to save it. Now, we don't need to go through all these getting started guides. It's a lot of what you would come to expect from the Beats Solo 3, just basically how to get these things up and going. But what is really cool is you also get a Beats sticker, the same thing as the pin button sticker form. So Apple's always done this, Beats has done this. You get Beats stickers in the box, Apple sticker in the box. Same thing here, but now we're getting that 90th Mickey anniversary sticker. So another cool little touch that gets included with these headphones. So the two cables that you got with this thing, the first cable that is included is the power cable. So you use these things to charge everything up. Unfortunately, compared to some of Apple's other more recent headphones, these things still charge via micro USB. So you still got to keep this around. If you're an Apple user, you're not necessarily going to have one of these cables in your rotation. You often have lightning cables, maybe some USB-C looking towards the future, but if you pick these up, you still need to have a micro USB cable. As far as powering these up, they charge super quick. You can actually get 3 hours of use out of them after only a 5-minute charge. And then, of course, we have that audio cable that you can plug into there, plug into the bottom of your phone, assuming you have an adapter on one of the newer ones, or plug into your computer, and you can use this to take calls. And there's an inline controller set as well you can use to control the music, though there are controls on the headphones themselves. But you can use this wired if you'd prefer, rather than wirelessly. So back to the headphones. Beats headphones often contain these little carrying pouches. We have another one here that's very unique to these with that Disney and Beats logo right there on the front. It's kind of like a merino wool, very soft feeling to it, and it's going to protect those headphones whenever they're thrown into your bag. Carabiner clip can also be attached to the end of it to clip them onto the side of a bag, and Apple did include that in the box. So these are the headphones themselves. They look pretty awesome. A bunch of Disney Mickey Mouse caricatures going around the edges. They kind of move onto the cups just a little bit. A lot of really premium materials that we've seen, though they are still plastic, which I know some people had problems with plastic level on the Beats headphones, but these are pretty awesome headphones, and they have the same specs as the standard Beats Solo 3 wireless. On this left-hand cup here, you can see we can play pause in the center, as well as change the volume up and down by pressing on the actual cup itself. And on the right-hand side is where you'll find the actual power button to turn it on. And on either cup, there is either the headphone jack on this left-hand side, and on the right-hand side, you'll find the micro USB port to actually charge them. What makes these headphones pretty amazing compared to most headphones on the market, and not just their Disney aspect, their Mickey aspect, is these have Apple's W1 chip inside, which makes for an unbelievable experience. They pair effortlessly to your iPhone, your iPad, your Mac, your Apple Watch. It actually goes to one device, and then they're available on all of your devices. So as you switch between them, it's really, really easy to make sure your headphones are kind of following you depending on which device that you're using. You can use standard Bluetooth, but using the W1, you get like 100-foot range and a bunch of other benefits. Sound quality, still, it's Beats, so it's going to be on the high end, but it's not going to be comparable as some of the really upper echelon. You're still paying for more of the brand. It still has a little bit of extra bass, but audio quality has come a long way from where the Beats brand used to be. If you want to pick these up, they're really amazing. You can find the link below in the description, and I want to hear your thoughts down below in the comments.